Welcome to the unit on algebraic expressions, rationalizing the denominator. The objectives for this session are to make the denominator of a fraction rational using the formulas shown on your screen. So let's take a look at the topic of rationalizing the denominator. For a fraction with a surd in the denominator, it is sometimes useful to rearrange the fraction so that the denominator is a rational. This process is called rationalizing the denominator. Let's take a look at the formulas for making the denominator rational. 1 over root a equals root a over a. 1 over a plus root b equals a minus root b all over a squared minus b. And the third formula is 1 over a minus root b equals a plus root b all over a squared minus b. Take a look at this example. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you are ready to view the solutions. So let's solve example 1a first. We need to rationalize 1 over root 2, and we need to apply one of the formulas to do this. The formula which fits is the first one. So 1 over root 2 equals root 2 over 2. The a's correspond to the 2's, so we have root 2 in the numerator for the answer, and 2 for the denominator in the answer. And therefore we've rationalized example 1a. Now let's have a go at example 1b. We are required to rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by 7 plus root 2. Clearly we're required to use the second formula. 1 divided by a plus root b equals a minus root b all over a squared minus b. In this example, as you can see, a will be equal to 7 and b will be equal to 2. So plug in a equals 7 here and here, and b equals 2 here and here. Then tidy up. 7 minus root 2 stays as it is. 7 squared is 49, and 2 stays as it is. So here we have 7 minus root 2, and tidying up some more. 49 minus 2 is 47. So we're left with 7 minus root 2 all over 47. Now let's solve example 1c. We're required to rationalize 1 divided by 6 minus root 2. Clearly we're using the third formula, 1 divided by a minus root b, which is a plus root b all over a squared minus b. So let's substitute in the values a equals 6 and b equals 2 in the formula, as shown. So a equals 6 goes here, and b equals 2 goes here. Here we have a squared, and here we have b equals 2. Now let's tidy up. 6 squared is 36. And tidying up some more, 6 plus root 2 we leave as it is. And 36 minus 2 is 34. Giving us 6 plus root 2 all over 34. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to make the denominator of a fraction rational using the formulas on your screen. Thank you very much for listening. To understand this topic in greater depth, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to it.